Portable hobby airbrush spray booth. Includes LED lights, exhaust extension hose, and revolving turntable. Lightweight and portable. Easy to set up, the integrated handle makes it simple to carry or store. Sets up in seconds. LED lights line the top and sides of the booth for better illumination. The included rotating turntable allows you to reach all areas to be painted. 4 cubic meter exhaust fan to remove overspray. Convenient 110 to 120 volt power adapter for continuous power. 67-inch exhaust extension hose can be used to keep particles and vapors away from work environment. The 2-layer high-density fiberglass booth filter is easily replaceable. Lightweight and compact, easily fits on desktops, workbenches, or more. Scan the QR code to check out all the products that Master Airbrush has to offer.